Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unboxing video. This is just going to be a very quick video to show you the watch. I'm going to do a more detailed video on the watch later. First of all, I have not opened this. I just ripped off the shipping label and it kind of opened it, but I'm not looked inside. But I'm really excited to take a look at this watch myself and also show it to you. This is actually a brand that I haven't had before, which is kind of crazy because I do love so many of their pieces. But let's just get right into this box and see what it's like. Thank you note from the watchmaker. I actually got this at a sale, so I got a really good price on it, so it's brand new. It might be a display model, but I don't really care. This is the receipt, and the watch is probably down here. All right, so the box is a lot smaller than I thought. But you can see here already, you probably know what it is when you read this. Yeah, let's just open it up. I do like small boxes, no reason to have a bigger one. It's upside down, Oris, and whoop. And it's the wrong way. I mean, everything's wrong here, huh? Oris, Momotaro, denim experts from Japan, Momotaro jeans. This is probably, oops, the warranty card. I'm not gonna show you the numbers on that. And it's the wrong way again, like what everything is. But yeah, go your own way. Cool. And here is the, well, kind of pouch. Kind of cool. Let's see how we open this. I guess we just pull it out like this. Indeed. We have the Oris logo up here. This seems very well made, for sure. And here's the watch. Look at that. Is there anything else in here? I don't think so. So yeah, I don't know if I like this strap, so I'm probably gonna swap out the strap. But I love this color. Look at that. I actually wanted the Oris Aquis with this color for a long time, and I might like this more. The only thing I'm not sure about is the bronze on the bezel, but this is beautiful. Bezel action is amazing. It's crazy that this is my first Oris, because they have so many really beautiful watches and really good value. And for this, I think I got it at like 40% off or 50. That's crazy. So wind it up. Crown feels really good. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. I'm gonna try it on the hand. I did forget to do a wristwatch check, so I'll do that now. I am wearing my Corona Tokyo 34mm. This is like the special projects from the first batch. Absolutely love this one. Beautiful details, really like retro. Love the size, and I love like the red inside of the blue circle. Looks beautiful. But we're gonna swap it out with this and see how it fits. So here it is on my 16.5cm wrist. Wears beautifully, 40mm. It's just right. I mean, I would prefer it to be like 37, 38. I would love it, but it is fine. It looks a little bigger on the camera as usual, but yeah, it really works. And I do love that color. I'm gonna swap the strap out, like, let's be real. I think the strap is cool, but not something for me to wear at all, I don't think. Back side of the case, quite simple. Oris X Momotaro. It's a limited edition, I believe. I don't know if it's like limited in pieces or just limited production, but production time, but don't really care. So yeah, that's my new Oris, my first Oris. I love that green color. It's so nice and different. So this dial is definitely something I'm gonna enjoy for summer. I'm gonna do a full review of this watch very soon, guys. I have to wear it a little bit first, of course, but you will be seeing more of this. And this was just a quick unboxing to show it to you. Thank you so much for watching. I will put another video right here if you want to watch another one. And I will see you guys there. Goodbye.